Welcome back, and it's only me today, no Emma. Right, so today I'm going to sort this door out. As you can see, it just looks a little bit scabby. Someone's had a bit of a go with a paint job and it just really hasn't come up very well. So I need to sort this out along here, up the sides there. The top's reasonably okay. Then we need to cut out the panels for here and the panel for here as well. Then we need to Veltrim it, get it on, get it looking all tidy, and that's another job done. So don't forget, we are converting this whole Volkswagen Crafter into a camper van. So if you like what we're doing, leave us a comment, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. It's free. By the way, we got some seat covers as well from Amazon, £50. They look absolutely fabulous from the front, but the main reason I got them was because the back of the seat had a big rip down it. As you can see by the passenger one, it's got this buckle on the back and it doesn't cover the whole back of the seat. There was going to be a full video on that, but like a true knob, I deleted the footage. But let's forget about seats. Let's get this door sorted. Now, I was going to hammerite it, but I've just looked in the bag of tricks that Emma bought, and we got some white paint, so let's get spraying. So we're going to take this panel off because, as you can see, somebody's made an absolute holy mess behind it. Then we'll mask this up, or will we just put cardboard up against it? I don't know, haven't decided yet. We'll take this off first. That'll release all this, and then we can get into this section here. Don't forget, we don't need to do the whole door, we just need to do around the edges because there's going to be Veltrim going on to make it look tidy anyway.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more.
Right, so now that's the door tidied up. I've pre-cut the wood for the top and the bottom, so all we need to do now is fix the Veltrim onto them and basically screw them up to the door. It's really that simple. So let's get some Veltrim on this. The thing with spray glue is, don't rush it. Once you've sprayed it, give it a couple of minutes to go tacky. Don't stick it on straight away. There's a tip. Not like you didn't know, you know what I mean? I'm presuming you're stupid. You're not. Well.
You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to.
So there we go. Don't forget, when you're going into the corners, stretch it over and then pinch it. And then when you've got your pinches, cut the pinches off and it runs smooth and it looks lovely. So this one is ready to go up, but before we put it up, let's get the other one done.
Do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow.
Right, now what I mean on your edges is, if you come over with the fabric, get the curve, and then you'll feel the pinch. So make a little ridge like that, go all around it. So you get these little ridges, the fabric stretched, and then what you do then is you just take your knife come to the end of the ridge, cut in the other side, and it works perfect. But you can also go right around like this, cutting right into the ridge, and then when you peel it off like that, these ridges normally flatten down, and that's how you go round bends. Let's get these in the van. Right, to hold the panels up, we're going to be using these round-headed self-tapping threads. We've got a cutter on the end, it'll cut right through. Some people like to drill pilot holes. To be honest with you, I've used these things 1,000 times. They cut themselves with ease, and I'm talking complete ease. You don't really need to drill pilot holes, but if you want to, you can. I'm not. First one. Right, well, you can get little caps to cover over these, but to be honest with you, when we done the back door panels, both me and Emma said they just look wrong. They just look like they're just sort of screaming out, "Hello, I'm a screw!" It's just, you know what I mean? That looks fine to me, as long as they're all spaced out the same space. It's going to blend in. The carpet in time will sort of come over and engulf the screw. Right, if I'm honest, I'm made up with them. They look great. Very pleased, very pleased. All on my own as well. So the door cards are a pretty easy process, you know. It's just making it tidy, getting your wood, cutting your wood, sticking it on, screwing them up, you're done. Takes 5 minutes, 15, 20, 40 minutes, 45. Anyway, leave us a comment, give us a thumbs up, all that good stuff, and go and do something. And whatever you do, do it well.